This is all part of the assembly. 88%. A lot of things can be 88%.
Kahai Powered Committee kalarai bandan da ka third party audit banwat Iakynduh jong ka jingkhalam no ka Tnum Pyllun ha ka jaka batay ya ka yeng assembly bathamai hamau diang. Habakran bekila pathai kubor hadin ka jingalang jong ka HPC ulampang ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela uba met ba lingdo ula pentip bakin saya keren bat ka IIT Guwahati, IIT Kolkata bat IIT Delhi na ka benta ka ni ka kam. Shu uba met ba ula patha badai man penyo no kloy ya ka kai pot halor ka jingtwa no ka Tnum Pyllun bat pentip ru bala pensange shwa ya ka jingtrei jong ka assembly building tat hadu bandayo ya ka kai pon.
The first one is to ensure that no outsiders will be or unauthorized person will be allowed to enter the building because of some safety measures. The other part is to cover that entire open area of that dome portion which has collapsed to ensure that there's no water leakage in the building. Now we have decided also, which is very, very important, a third party audit will give us the reason why or the reasons of the collapse of the entire construction. They'll also investigate about the entire collapse of the dome, and at the same time they will also look into the strength of the other areas like the left wing, the right wing, the corridor of the main hall, and the reception area, and the chambers of the speaker, the chief ministers, and other areas which are in that floor. Also at the same time, which are on the ground floor and below the ground floor and the basement, if there's any. Now we have decided also to ensure that the institutions which will be calling them for the audit will be basically from the IIT teams. So we suggested that we suggested that there will be 3 IITs. One is from Guwahati, one is from Kolkata, and one is from Delhi. So any of the 3 IITs will be selected. Depends on the readiness of those IITs who will be conducting this audit and investigation as far as this case is concerned. We have given them task to the PUD building to take care about the contact and the communication from the government to those IITs. So basically those are the decisions that we have made today, and we have requested that we would like to get all the reports as early as possible so that the next course of action will follow them. At the same time, the work, especially in the main mandap, in the main assembly building, will come to a halt till the report comes out from the audit team. So this is the decision that we have taken today from the HPC, and we have instructed the security department to take note of this and swing into action immediately without any further delay.
Na kalyang Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukan rat ki sangma la kran shai ba unum Hiar na ka Shuki Myntri Rangbah watla kalami ka surjing dawa Halor kani namar ba utip ba ki Myntri jong u ki dangshanya ha ka jingalam ka jong u.
And in regards to me stepping down, I think it's the coalition partners, the MLAs. The MLAs will have to decide that. It's not my decision to say whether I will step down or not. So it's the MLAs of the different coalition partners that will take the call, because they're the ones who have elected me. So they're the ones who will decide.
Na kalyang nong yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong ba kani ka jing tokit kadai bandai ka jing tokit ka balai luan.
Conclusion at the moment. Therefore, you need a very transparent process of even identifying a third party independent agency to go into details. Okay, it cannot be just for the sake of telling people, okay, we have done it, so everything is fine, therefore nothing to. Therefore, as I'm saying, the respondents have to be treated as respondents.